Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's DIY is a greeting card. It is an all-purpose greeting card. Actually, I'm preparing origami flowers for this and decorating the greeting card. So friends, like, share and subscribe to my channel and do comment on the comment section below after watching the video. So let us start. The measurements are given, all the materials that are required. You have to prepare the origami flowers. For this you require a pink colored paper. The option of the color is yours. I'm using the pink color. You have to trace down with the pencil the design first and cut it, and I'm folding 3 papers at the same time so that it will make my work easier. You have to make 3 flowers and the size of them one smaller than the other. That means you have to make 3 flowers, one bigger and the middle and the smaller one. Then you have to curve them, the petals, with the help of a scissor. Then you have to glue them in this particular order. And I'm using the buttons for the center part of the flower. You have to take a white color chart paper for the base of the greeting card. I'm using a green colored paper to make the ribbon shape. You have to fold it down like this and curve both the surfaces and cut them over like this. Then you will get this particular design like this. The same way you have to cut down the black paper as well. Yeah, it is done. Stick the green paper ribbon first. Then stick on the black paper on it. It is a very simple greeting card. You can just make it in just 10 or 15 minutes. It is so very easy and yet it is very beautiful. See how easy it is. I'm just taking 3 flowers onto the border. Just to enhance it further, I'm adding a bead chain. Write whatever you want. Best wishes I am writing, since it is applicable for any occasion. You can gift it on any occasion, especially the new year is coming, even on the Christmas, birthday parties, anniversaries, even Valentine's Day. So it is an all-purpose greeting card. Okay friends, thank you. Thank you for watching.